So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to highlight text here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, go to the left-hand side, add some text, and I'm just going to go ahead here and type in the word highlight, and then make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you want to add some highlights behind the text, it's pretty straightforward. So type or highlight the text that you want to highlight. Go to the top here to where there's this sort of icon. This is highlight color. Press on that, then you can go to the left hand side here and select a color. So if you wanted to do maybe yellow, for instance, you can go ahead and do that. Then all of a sudden the text is highlighted. If you want to make maybe a certain part, so if you wanted to, let's just undo it here quick. We'll just undo it. So highlight color, I'll just go white. If you wanted to maybe highlight just one part of it, it works the exact same way. And there you go. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can highlight text here on a Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.